Hi kids, my name is Emily Kosman and I am a firefighter in the city of Columbia Heights. And this is my best friend, Odin. We're going to talk to you about fire safety and show you a video from the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA for short. But first, Odin has a riddle for you. What is it? Oh yeah? Well, come over here, they can't see ya. Oh, okay. What animal keeps the best time? That's a good one. Let's think about it and find out at the end. Did you know that you can make a big difference on keeping your family safe? Yeah, you can be a hero too. Odin wants to be sure he lets you know how important smoke alarms are. Not only can they save your life, but they can save your family and your pet's life too. What else did you want to tell everyone at home, Odin? Oh, right. Let's show them where we should find our smoke alarms at home. Yep, that's right, Odin. Smoke alarms should be inside each bedroom, outside of the bedrooms, and on each level of the home, including the basement. And we have to be sure we test our smoke alarms every month too. Batteries can wear out. Remember, when we change our clocks, we change the smoke alarm batteries. Let's show everyone that cool NFPA video about staying safe in the kitchen and some home fire safety tips.
Did you know that you can make a difference in the fire safety of every room in your home? Yes, you. Get your spy skills ready. We're going to inspect your kitchen and show you what to look for to keep you safe. Ask a grown-up for help too. Whoa, can you spot any safety hazards in this kitchen? This little boy and his puppy are too close to the stove while parents are cooking. Look again. The pot handle is pointing out where someone could grab it or knock it over. What about now? This hot soup is too close to the edge of the table. If spilled, it would cause a painful burn. Is there anything wrong now? Oh no! There are no grown-ups nearby while food is cooking on the stove. If you find any of these hazards in your kitchen, ask a grown-up to fix them. Make the area around the stove a kid-free zone. That's better. No kids or pets within 3 feet of the stove when grown-ups are cooking. Grown-ups should always turn pot handles towards the back of the stove so they cannot be pulled down or knocked over. Hot liquids can cause serious burns. Grown-ups, make sure hot liquids and food are in the center of the table or towards the back of a counter. A grown-up should always watch the stovetop when they are frying, boiling, or grilling food, and turn burners off completely if they have to step away. And don't forget, every home needs working smoke alarms. Know the sound of a smoke alarm and what to do when you hear it. Loud, huh? Make a home fire escape plan with your family and know 2 ways out of every room. Nice spy skills. Sparky would be proud of you. Go check out the safety of your own kitchen and remember, you can make a difference.
That was an awesome video from the NFPA. Did you learn anything new? Remember, stay away from the stove when someone is cooking, and be sure to tell a grown-up if you see something unsafe. Did you come up with an answer to Odin's riddle? What animal keeps the best time? Odin, that's a good one. A watchdog. Pretty funny, buddy. That's all we have for you today. We look forward to seeing you again. Stay safe and healthy and be excellent to each other. Bye.